India's first Global Birdwatchers Conference 2010 was held at Jamnagar. Over 700 people with 300 subject experts, 98 delegates from 45 different countries attended the event. The delegates included birdwatchers, researchers, scientists, students, and travel writers. Three-day conference held from 25th November to 27th November 2010 was targeted for the promotion of ecotourism approach in a sensitive and responsible manner.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and a very warm welcome to this first ever Global Bird Watchers Conference in Jamnagar. This conference is organized by the Department of Tourism, Government of Gujarat, Tourism Corporation of Gujarat, Marine National Park, Forest and Environment Department, Government of Gujarat, in partnership with FICCI, Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry. As we know that the fascinating landscape of Gujarat offers an array of tourism opportunities to tourists across the globe. Today, we take a step forward through this maiden initiative to promote the state and put Khijadiya on the global map as a special bird watching destination, and we are extremely overwhelmed by the immense participation response shown for this program. We will now formally inaugurate the conference by lighting of the lamp. May I request respected dignitaries on the dais to please come forward and light the lamp. This magazine has been specially done for this Global Bird Watchers Conference.
Gender matters in Lands Warrior 2. Ladli is the most powerful female from the President's Pride of Asiatic Lands of Sasangir.
Lands Pride member are the testimony of this film, and we, testimony of human society, feel proud by presenting this film. We are sure will impart empowerment of knowledge to the kids innocent about their child rights. Save Mother Earth, green cover for the next generation. Live and let others live in harmony with nature. Green Soldiers, Ecotourists, presents Sea Samrajya, a monarchy in Gir Forest at Global Birdwatchers Conference 2010.
It is the story of a pride once carefully monitored during the President of India, Srimati Pratibha Patil's visit to Gir National Park and Sanctuary.
We have two youngsters with us today, Devashri and Parth from Green Soldiers Project, which is a project for children information, education and awareness on environment.
Sea Samrajya, a monarchy in Gir Forest film DVD, was released and opened for public by Shri Jai Narayan Vyas, Honorable Minister of Health, Tourism, Government of Gujarat, Shri Mangubai Patel, Honorable Minister of Environment and Tribal Welfare, Shri Kritsi Rana, Honorable State Minister of Forest and Environment, with distinguished guests and delegates at the conference.
We were sharp focused on the economic areas and economic activity development, and to that extent, maybe some of the best and unique features as far as tourism in this country and maybe in this world are concerned were not so far put under sharp focus. Very strong foundations of the British Empire were shaken. that entire Gandhi circuit belongs to Gujarat. Gujarat also has ancient civilization. Just the neighboring district of Kutch and also the district of Ahmedabad harbors the Harappan and Mohenjo-daro kind of civilization remains at Dholavira and Lothal. We have the largest westwardly flowing river in the country called Narmada, and the largest dam built on that, which created a lot of debate in the world. We have Asiatic lion, on which you are going to see much detailed presentation in the evening by the children who just released their film, and they have done a wonderful job because I've seen that film and I'm sure you are going to enjoy that.
I want to take this opportunity to mention
about the development of ecotourism and bird watching. And in order to do so, I think first we need just a little bit of context.
It is interesting to know that quail
It's really how to unlock this zoology at Vadodara based university. She's going to give you her mind, that Gujarat's mind.
We generally go around in small numbers and we try to follow all the rules.
Friends, I have prepared a small presentation of the native. Pilgrimage to nature. Please join me. Jai Somanath, Jai Dwarke, Jai Somanath, Jai Dwarke, Jai Bolo Vishwananathani, Swarna Yakshare Lakshay Javiyo Yashgatha.
we listed the concerns, we reflected on the concerns from various speakers, from various aspects.